weight loss drink with just 2 ingredients. Suppose you're on a weight loss program and looking for the best remedy. You are probably watching the right video. If only you could follow an easy yet effective weight loss diet. That is what this video is all about. Therefore, if you've been struggling with body fat, especially belly fat, you'll be relieved to know that we have your back. We're about to reveal a wonderful all-natural drink that burns belly fat even when you're sound asleep. What's best? It's really simple to make this recipe for weight loss, and you probably won't have to wait long to see amazing results. You may confidently bid belly fat farewell with just 2 amazing substances. Why should you drink this? The first thing you need to understand is that when you are sleeping, as opposed to when you are up, your metabolism is slower. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that your body finds it challenging to burn excess body fat. However, that's about to alter. You may significantly increase your metabolism by just combining the 2 components and drinking them we're about to reveal. Even better, you'll burn a lot of calories as you sleep. Amazing? No. What exactly are these ingredients, then? Cinnamon and honey. Yes, you can lose weight with these delicious nutrients and hopefully keep it off. First off, honey burns body fat quite well. In essence, it accelerates your metabolism to rapidly burn off resistant fat. It's also good to know that honey's glycemic index is lower than that of sugar. Better yet, honey stops a sugar rush. Cinnamon, on the other hand, increases glucose metabolism while doing a fantastic job of stabilizing blood sugar levels. As the majority of us are well aware, high sugar levels can cause our bodies to store extra fat. The interesting thing is that cinnamon can stop this from happening. Not only that, but cinnamon also enhances insulin activity, increasing your likelihood of reducing extra body weight. Let us prepare this drink right away. All we need is 2 tablespoons of organic honey, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of boiling filtered water. Now, let's start the process. Start by putting a spoonful of cinnamon in a big cup. Next, take a cup of freshly boiled water and pour it into the large cup with the cinnamon. Simply steep for about 15 minutes, then let cool. Instructions to be kept in mind. You can then add 2 teaspoons of honey once it has cooled. You only need to drink this blend twice a day to start noticing fantastic effects. We advise drinking a half cup in the morning and a further half cup before bed. Oh, and it's important to drink first thing in the morning. What's best? Regular consumption of this beverage will increase your energy levels in addition to promoting weight loss. Give it a try right now without thinking twice. You'll be so happy you did. For more fascinating information on the human body, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fitness Vault. See you in our next video. Thank you.